Hello and welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. So I'm really excited for today's video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make hot chocolate bombs, like a little me making hot chocolate bombs vlog. So literally like they're all like the craze on like TikTok and stuff at the minute. So I thought I'd try and make them. So yeah, let's just go for it. Okay, so here's the little mold I'm going to be using. Literally it only just came today, but I've been really excited to make these, so I'm literally going to use it. It's like a silicone mold and you can just kind of like press the chocolate out. So I've also got some Sainsbury's own chocolate to melt in there. Actually, I don't think that is Sainsbury's own, but it's just the cheap 40p one from Sainsbury's. I'm going to melt it into this bowl. So I'm just going to start off with like 1 bar and I'm going to put it in the microwave to melt it. Okay, so we're all nice and melted. And now I'm going to be putting it in here, but then I'm going to like pour the excess out, so it's literally only the rim of it. Just making sure to coat literally all the way around. Now I'm kind of just like bringing it to the edges by lifting it to get it all the way around. Okay, so I've kind of like poured out the excess so that it is just like literally lines the bottom. I'm going to repeat that with the other 5. Okay, so that's all 6 done, and this will make obviously 3 hot chocolate bombs. As you can see, I have just literally lined the outside of it. It doesn't have to be like all neat and stuff because they're going, all you can see is like the outside bit anyway. I'm now going to put them in the fridge. So I've just got my molds out the fridge and they are set. So I'm going to like squish, try and get one out without, I don't want to snap it because they're like, oh no, that's gonna work. Yes, I only really left them to set like for a couple hours. Yay! So that's the first one out. I'm literally just gonna pop them all out now. You just have to be really gentle, yeah. And I'm gonna put them all on this plate. And then you just kind of have to stick them together, fill them up with what you want in them, and stick them together. So here we have all of the outlines, and then what I'm going to do, because obviously you need this bit, I'm going to melt the edge and then stick them together sort of thing, like this. So I have some marshmallows. Obviously we need some hot chocolate. I chose Maltesers hot chocolate, so I'm just popping the hot chocolate into 3 of them because they're quite small. Like you don't need like loads of hot chocolate, so I'm gonna kind of put like half a spoon in so there's enough for the marshmallows as well. And I'm just gonna get a few marshmallows and chuck them in as well. So to get the hot chocolate bombs to stick together, I've put my pan on the hob and I'm heating it up because then I'm just gonna like dip the edge of the hot chocolate bomb into that and then stick it to the other one. So it's quite fiddly, but all I'm doing is I'm just gonna, you can see I've already done one just to practice. Just gonna pop that on there for a few seconds, literally until it melts. And then I'm just gonna place it on top so that it sticks together. And here's one I made earlier. It's got a little hole in it, but you know what? I think that it looks pretty good. My 3 little hot chocolate bombs are done. They're not the prettiest, but some of them are cracked a little bit. But you know what? I think this one looks very, very cute. I'm pretty proud of it. So let's pour some milk. Get that in the cup. And I'm going to heat it up in the microwave. Here is the reveal. I'm going to drop it in and see what happens. Oh, it's sinking. Wow. It didn't really work how I wanted it to, but I mean, you get the gist. I'm going to give it a start. I can confirm that it tastes really nice. So I think next time I'll put more marshmallows in there, but you know what, it tastes great, so definitely worth doing it. So yeah, I actually really enjoyed making them hot chocolate bombs. One thing I would take from this is I would definitely make them a bit thicker next time, because they were quite thin. So I thought that they needed to be like really thin, but then now that I think of it, like I think I've seen people make them in bigger molds, so then they look thinner because they're a bit thicker, because they're in a bigger mold. But mine are quite small molds, so I'm going to make them thicker next time. Like add a few layers of chocolate in there, or just make the chocolate layer that I do add in a bit thicker so that it sticks together a bit nicer. But yeah, I think they turned out pretty well. Like it's a really fun activity, especially like around Christmas and like this winter time now, because hot chocolate is a very nice drink that everyone likes to drink. So I'd 110% recommend making these. They're literally so quick and easy. All you need is like the mold and the chocolate, the hot chocolate and the marshmallows, like super easy to make. But yeah, please remember to give me a like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. I've also got all my other social medias in the description if you wouldn't mind going giving them a follow as well. So yeah, I will see you in my next video. If you have any video requests, please leave them in the comments. So see you in my next video.